Welcome back to USA Cars Experts, your trusted destination for the latest cars, SUVs, trucks, and future automotive technology. If you love discovering what is coming next in the automotive world, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because today we are taking a closer look at one of the most exciting future electric SUVs expected to carry Toyota's legendary Highlander name, the 2027 Toyota Highlander EV. Toyota has already established a strong reputation for reliability, practicality, and electrified vehicles, and the idea of a fully electric Highlander brings those strengths into a completely new era. The 2027 Highlander EV is expected to combine the spaciousness of a family SUV with modern electric performance, advanced technology, premium comfort, and the clean, futuristic design that buyers increasingly expect from an electric vehicle. From the first look, the Highlander EV is expected to have a much more futuristic appearance than the traditional Highlander. Instead of relying on a conventional large grille, an electric version can use a smoother, more aerodynamic front fascia because an EV does not need the same amount of airflow for engine cooling. This could give the Highlander EV a cleaner and more sophisticated identity. At the front, the design is expected to feature slim LED headlights with an aggressive daytime running light signature. The lighting could stretch across the front and create a distinctive appearance at night. The hood is likely to be sculpted with clean lines, while the lower bumper could incorporate aerodynamic elements designed to improve efficiency. And then there is the body itself. A major advantage of an electric SUV is the opportunity to create a sleek shape while still providing excellent interior space. The 2027 Highlander EV could feature a long wheelbase, short overhangs, smooth body surfaces, and carefully designed aerodynamic details. Flush-style door handles, sculpted side panels, and aerodynamic wheels could further improve efficiency while giving the SUV a premium appearance. For our imagined showcase today, the Highlander EV is finished in a stunning pure white exterior. This color highlights the vehicle's futuristic lines and gives it a clean, upscale appearance. Combined with dark glass, black exterior accents, and large alloy wheels, the white body could make the Highlander EV look particularly impressive inside a luxury showroom. Moving around to the side, the Highlander EV is expected to maintain the practical proportions that families want from a midsize SUV. There should be enough room for passengers, luggage, and everyday equipment, while the electric platform could allow Toyota to create a more open-feeling cabin. Large wheels would add to the premium appearance, while aerodynamic wheel designs could help reduce air resistance. The roofline could remain relatively sleek without sacrificing too much rear seat headroom. This balance between style and practicality will be especially important because Highlander buyers traditionally expect their SUV to be useful for family life. At the rear, we could see another major departure from the gasoline-powered Highlander. A futuristic LED light bar stretching across the tailgate would fit perfectly with the electric SUV design language. The rear bumper could be clean and sculpted, with minimal visual clutter and aerodynamic details. The overall result could be a Highlander that looks unmistakably electric without becoming overly complicated. Toyota has an opportunity here to create a design that feels futuristic today while still looking attractive several years from now. But exterior styling is only part of the story. Step inside the 2027 Toyota Highlander EV and the experience could become even more interesting. The cabin is expected to focus heavily on space, technology, comfort, and simplicity. An electric platform can provide greater flexibility in packaging because there is no large gasoline engine occupying the traditional front engine space. This can potentially help designers create a more spacious and open interior. The dashboard could feature a large digital instrument display combined with a wide central infotainment screen. Instead of filling the cabin with physical buttons, Toyota could use a combination of touchscreen controls, steering wheel controls, voice commands, and strategically placed physical switches. A premium version of the Highlander EV could feature high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, modern trim, ambient lighting, and comfortable leather or leather-like seating. The interior shown in our concept is finished in an elegant combination of white and black, creating a sophisticated luxury atmosphere. And for families, the rear seats may be one of the most important parts of the vehicle. The Highlander name is already associated with family practicality, so an electric version would need to deliver excellent rear passenger comfort. Expect generous legroom, comfortable seat cushioning, multiple charging ports, rear climate controls, storage compartments, and convenient cup holders. A panoramic glass roof could make the cabin feel even more spacious. During daytime driving, natural light could enter the cabin, while at night, soft ambient lighting could create a more relaxing environment. Depending on the final configuration Toyota chooses, seating capacity and interior layout could vary. But the overall goal would likely remain the same, creating an electric SUV that works just as well for everyday family transportation as it does for longer road trips. Now let's talk about what really makes an EV different, the powertrain. The 2027 Highlander EV is expected to use a battery electric powertrain rather than a traditional gasoline engine. Depending on the final version, Toyota could potentially offer different battery and motor configurations, giving customers a choice between efficiency, range, and performance. An all-wheel drive version would be particularly attractive for buyers who want additional traction in rain, snow, or difficult road conditions. Electric motors can deliver instant torque, meaning the Highlander EV could feel surprisingly responsive when accelerating from a stop. Unlike a gasoline engine, an electric motor does not need to build up power through a traditional transmission. Press the accelerator and the motor can respond almost instantly. This can make electric SUVs feel smooth and effortless in everyday driving. Range will obviously be one of the most important questions surrounding the Highlander EV. For a family SUV, buyers will expect enough driving range for commuting during the week and longer journeys on weekends. Toyota will need to balance battery capacity, vehicle weight, aerodynamics, and performance to achieve a competitive range figure. Charging technology will also be critical. Fast charging could allow drivers to add a significant amount of energy during a short stop, making road trips much easier. At home, owners could use a suitable Level 2 charging setup to recharge the vehicle overnight. The Highlander EV could also benefit from intelligent energy management technology. Regenerative braking can recover some energy when the vehicle slows down and send it back into the battery. This not only improves efficiency but can also create a smoother one-pedal style driving experience depending on the system configuration. Technology is another area where the 2027 Highlander EV could become a serious competitor. A modern electric SUV needs more than just a big screen. Drivers want connected navigation, smartphone integration, wireless charging, over-the-air software updates, digital vehicle controls, and advanced driver assistance features. Toyota is expected to continue developing its safety technology, so the Highlander EV could feature systems designed to assist with highway driving, adaptive cruise control, lane management, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, parking assistance, and collision avoidance. Of course, drivers should always remain responsible for controlling the vehicle. These systems are designed to assist the driver, not replace human attention. For long highway journeys, the Highlander EV could be especially comfortable. Electric vehicles are naturally quiet compared with gasoline-powered SUVs, and the absence of traditional engine noise could create a much more relaxing cabin. Imagine driving down the highway with the panoramic roof above you, premium seats underneath you, a large navigation display in front of you, and almost no engine noise in the background. That is exactly the type of experience a future electric Highlander could deliver. Practicality is another major advantage. The Highlander EV would need to provide useful cargo space for groceries, luggage, sports equipment, and family trips. Depending on the final platform and configuration, Toyota could potentially take advantage of the EV architecture to provide additional storage solutions. The SUV could also be designed around everyday convenience. A large rear opening, flexible rear seats, multiple storage areas, and an easy-to-use charging system would make the vehicle much more practical for families. And then there is Toyota's biggest advantage, the Highlander name itself. The Highlander has built a reputation as a practical family SUV, and transferring that identity into an electric model could give Toyota a strong position in a rapidly growing EV market. The biggest challenge will be pricing. Electric vehicle technology can be expensive, particularly when a vehicle combines a large battery, advanced electronics, premium interior materials, and sophisticated driver assistance systems. Toyota will need to position the Highlander EV competitively against other electric SUVs while still delivering the reliability and value that customers expect from the brand. If Toyota can achieve the right combination of range, charging speed, interior space, technology, performance, and price, the Highlander EV could become a very attractive choice for families looking to move into an electric SUV. The design we are looking at today represents the kind of premium and futuristic direction that could make the 2027 Highlander EV stand out. The pure white exterior, sleek LED lighting, aerodynamic body, large wheels, panoramic roof, and luxury interior create a vehicle that feels modern without losing the practical SUV character that made the Highlander popular. However, remember that final specifications, pricing, battery capacity, range, performance figures, dimensions, and equipment can change before an official production model is revealed. Toyota's final version could look and perform differently from early expectations and concept-style renders. Still, the idea is extremely exciting. The future of family transportation is moving toward electrification, and vehicles like the potential 2027 Toyota Highlander EV could play an important role in that transition. Instead of forcing families to choose between practicality and electric technology, Toyota could offer a vehicle that combines both. A spacious cabin, quiet electric performance, advanced safety systems, modern connectivity, premium comfort, and potentially impressive driving range could make this SUV a compelling option for everyday life. So, would you choose a 2027 Toyota Highlander EV over the traditional gasoline or hybrid Highlander? Would you prioritize maximum driving range, faster charging, all-wheel drive, luxury features, or affordable pricing? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this first look at the potential 2027 Toyota Highlander EV, make sure you subscribe to USA Cars Experts for more upcoming vehicles, electric cars, SUVs, trucks, motorhomes, and the latest automotive news. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.